Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Mrs. DLC, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, thank you, and thank you for returning again. You are appreciated. You have in front of you one of my favorite bags, and it is the Hadley. This is the first Coach Hadley that I have purchased. I absolutely love this print. It is the animal print with the gold embossed Coach emblem. It has the leather trim. The strap is leather with the gold accents. Another favorite part of this bag is the tassel. I love, absolutely love this tassel. The open and close is a kiss lock where it's just a turn lock here to open and close. And then there is the opening here. It is stuffed now, but you have a zipper pocket and just an open compartment. She is a smaller bag than I generally carry, and she is crossbody, so just a one-way carry for her. And let me show you the bottom. So if I love all of this about this bag, why is it, do you think, I am contemplating selling her? Died to have her. Well, no, I didn't really die, but I really, really wanted this bag because I loved this print. Well, let me reveal why. I've carried her about a handful of times, and each time I carry her, there is something about my clothes. Well, she sheds. She sheds really badly, and whatever I'm wearing, the hair or this fabric from the bag gets all on my clothes, and I am always, all day long, trying to knock it off. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you. I have, and I hope you can see it on here, I have just a black t-shirt here, right? And let's assume I'm wearing this black t-shirt and it is rubbing against, the bag is rubbing against the t-shirt. Yeah, maybe I'm walking this way. And all day long, you'll start to see the hair from the bag. So that was just a couple of seconds. And all day long, as I wear the bag, it's getting heavier and heavier on my clothes. So pretty much, I have to carry a lint brush with me when I'm carrying this bag. And that is not what I'm looking for when I purchase a bag. Now, there may be some solutions out there, and if you do, please let me know, that will stop the shedding. That would be ideal. If I can get something that would stop the shedding, she would be a keeper. But Miss Hadley, you will have to go if the shedding does not stop. So I'm asking for your help. If you have a solution for shedding, please let me know. If not, she's going to have to be a resale because I am going to have to sell her. All right, thank you guys. Thanks for helping out. Please let me know as soon as possible because I need to know where she's going next. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this, please add some comments, engage, and thank you for joining. This is Miss DLC signing off.